Welcome to the Zolmi Success Academy. In this video, you'll learn how to deliver the best customer experience with smart notes from Zolmi. What are the benefits of using smart notes? Deliver personal customer experience with client notes. Get easy access to your appointment notes from your calendar. Let clients leave you notes when booking online. In Zolmi, you've got two types of smart notes, client notes and appointment notes. To add notes, start by opening an appointment. To add a client note, click the Notes button while creating or editing an appointment. Client notes are general. Think coffee preferences, hobbies, allergies, or anything personal that helps you better connect with the client. You can choose a note type like important, allergy, or color formula, making it easy to filter and find what matters later. And if it's an allergy, Zolmi will flag it in every future booking automatically. You can view, update, or delete notes anytime from the client's profile. In Zolmi, you can also add an appointment note. Appointment notes are specific to that visit, like what color formula you used or which products were applied. The best part? They're visible right in your calendar. No need to click into the appointment or open the client card. You'll see them at a glance. And those appointment notes? They're saved to the client's history too, so you always have a full picture for next time. Zolmi lets your clients leave appointment notes when booking online. Before confirming their appointment, they can add a quick note like just a trim, and it shows up right in your calendar. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in how smoothly your day runs. That concludes how to organize your day better and deliver a great customer experience with Smart Note in your Zolmi calendar. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comments section below. If you are new to Zolmi and would like to receive a 14-day free trial, scan the QR code on the screen now. To get the latest Zolmi updates on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and then click on the notification bell.